नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, वेलकम टू श्री ज्ञानसागर कोचिंग क्लासेस YouTube channel. Today we discuss the next theorem of the chapter circle. The name of that theorem is the Converse of Cyclic Quadrilateral Theorem. All of you know that the Cyclic Quadrilateral Theorem, if a quadrilateral is cyclic quadrilateral, then the opposite angles are supplementary. Its converse is, if in a quadrilateral opposite angles are supplementary, then it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now then we see this converse of the cyclic quadrilateral theorem. If a pair of opposite angles of quadrilateral is supplementary, then the quadrilateral is cyclic. For this I have to draw the quadrilateral first. Now suppose that this is the quadrilateral A, B, C, D, whose opposite angles we take here, these two angles are supplementary. Now for this, so first I have to take its given. In quadrilateral A, B, C, D, opposite angles of one pair is we take here supplementary, means that angle DAB plus angle DAB plus BCD is equals to 180 degree. Now it is in given. Then the quadrilateral is cyclic quadrilateral, means that to prove this quadrilateral A, B, C, D is cyclic quadrilateral. Now for this, student, we consider here this point C does not lie on the circle. If this point C not lies on the circle, then it is the interior or exterior part of that circle. So first I have to draw one circle here, and this point take as it is. Suppose that this is the point C, which is the exterior here. Suppose that A, B, and here is C, which is the exterior, and here is D. Now when we join this one, this is the quadrilateral ABCD, suppose. Now this line DC intersect the circle in point E, suppose. We have to join the segment B. Then student, this quadrilateral ABED is a cyclic quadrilateral. Then we use the property of cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary here also. Now student, all of you know that from any 3 points we can draw one circle. So we take here point A, B, and D. Then from these 3 points we can draw one and only one circle. This is, we know that. So in your proof, first I have to write here in proof. Here is there is one and only one circle passing through three non-collinear points. So I have to draw here one circle which is passing through three non-collinear points. Therefore this point DAP lies on the circle. Therefore the circle passes through the points D, A, and B. Now here the fourth vertex C does not lie on the circle. Here the fourth vertex C does not lies on the circle. That is, C lies in exterior or interior of the circle. This is by definition. By definition of cyclic quadrilateral. Now student, if it is cyclic, then opposite angles of cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. So I have taken here DAB. Therefore, angle DAB plus angle BED. Angle BED is equals to how much? 180 degrees. Suppose that this is the equation first, and the reason is that by using cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Now student, then we take here in your given, look carefully, DAB plus BCD is 180 degrees. So that I have taken again this point, but angle DAB plus angle BCD is equals to 180. This is equation second, which is in given. From equation first and second, we conclude that this 180 is same. So from first and second, from equation first and second, this angle DAB plus angle BED is equals to angle DAB plus angle BCD. Look carefully. This 180 same, means that these two is also same. I have to write first one and then second one. When you observe here, this angle DAB and DAB get cancelled. Then what is remaining here? Angle BED is equals to angle BCD. Therefore, angle BED is equals to angle BCD. BCD. Let this is equation number, suppose that third. Okay, student. Then this angle, when we look at the angle BED, this is an exterior angle of this triangle BEC. Exterior म्हणजे बाह्य कोण आहे बघा, हा या अँगलचा काय झाला, या ट्रायंगलचा काय झाला, बाह्य कोन झाला. So first I have write, but angle BED is exterior angle of triangle BEC. Then by using exterior angle theorem, measure of this angle is equal to sum of these two angles. Means that this angle is greater than this angle. Now look carefully. Measure of exterior angle is equal to sum of these two angles. म्हणजे दोघांचे बेरीज इतका असणार. पण एकाचा विचार केला तर यापेक्षा हा अँगल काय मग मोठा आहे. So first I have write here. Therefore angle BED is greater than angle BCE, that is BCD. BCE, that is I have write directly BCD. So that this angle is greater than angle BCD, because it is by using exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. Now look here, BED is greater than BCD. When you observe this condition, BED is equal to BCD, but this arises that BED is greater than BCD, means here this statement is contradicts, virodhabas nirman झाला. So that therefore this contradicts statement third. म्हणजे इथे विरोधाभास निर्माण झाला. हा विरोधाभास का निर्माण झाला? Because why this contradicts arises? Because we take this point C is exterior of the circle. म्हणजे point C exterior घेतल्यामुळे आपल्याला इथे contradiction मिळाले. So that this point C does not lie in the exterior part. म्हणून आता हा C हा exterior येणार नाही. So that therefore point C cannot lies in the Similarly, if we take point C is interior of the circle, then the contradicts can arises. म्हणजे त्याच प्रकारे जर आपण जर C जर इंटेरियर मध्ये घेतला तरी म्हणजे असं इथे जरी घेतला तरी इथे परत कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट्स आपल्याला मिळणार. मीन दॅट दिस पॉइंट C, therefore point C cannot lies in interior of circle. स्टुडंट, मग आता पॉइंट C हा एक्सटेरियर पण नाही आणि इंटेरियर पण नाही, म्हणजे तो कुठे असणार मग सर्कल वरती असणार. Therefore the point C lies on the circle. Therefore the point C lies on the circle. Mean that on the circle or on the same circle. On the same circle. I am right here, on the same circle. Means therefore these points A, B, C and D are lies on the same circle. Therefore the points A, B, C and D lies on the same circle. Means they lie on the same circle. Means that this quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic. Therefore quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral and hence it is true. Can you understand this? Thank you very much. Student, we see the next theorem. The theorem is, if two points on a given line subtend equal angles at the two distinct points which lies on the same side of the line, then the 4 points are concyclic. For this I have to draw one circle here. Suppose that this is one line and the point is A and D. Is the 2 point lies on the line, and here is the point B and here is point, suppose that C. Now I have to join this AD and AD, AB, BD and AC and CD also. Now here is 2 points on the given line subtend equal angles. म्हणजे हे दोन पॉइंट्स हे अँगल इक्वल अँगल सबटेंड करतात टू द सेम साइड ऑफ द लाइन. Two distinct points which lies on the same side of the line च्या same side, then 4 points are concyclic. That all these 4 points are concyclic. For this I have to write it given. This point B and C lies on the same side of the line AB. Point B and C lies on the same side of line AD. Then they are concyclic. Mean that to prove points A, B, C, D are concyclic. म्हणजे एकाच वर्तुळावरती. For this student, all of you know that any 3 non-collinear point we can draw one circle. This is the same as the earlier theorem in that Converse of the Cyclic Quadrilateral Theorem. So first we take here from 3 non-collinear point we can draw one and only one circle. Now from 3 non-collinear points we can draw one and only non-collinear points are, suppose here is B, here is A, and here is D. These are the three non-collinear points. Means that the circle, therefore, the circle passing through the points A, B, and D. Means that ABD lies on the circle. Now, suppose that the point C is the exterior or interior of the circle. But let this point C mean that the fourth point C be the exterior or interior of the circle. मग आता हा एक्सटेरियर किंवा इंटेरियर असेल. Here let C be the exterior of the circle. हा आपण exterior point घेऊया. Suppose that this is the exterior point, suppose here C, same as here. Now then we draw the segment CD, also join AC, BD. Now these intersect the circle in one point. Suppose that this point is E. Then we join BE and ED. At that time, this is the cyclic quadrilateral. But here is in given this angle and this angle is equal here. But for when we join the segment ED, we get this angle ABD is also congruent with AED because angles inscribed in the same arc. Okay, by using this angle and this angle is equal, but this angle and this angle is congruent, which is the given here. These two angles are equal, they are also given. Means that by comparing these two angles are equal, but this is the exterior angle of this triangle. So that exterior angle is greater than this angle, means that this is contradicts, means that C does not lie on the exterior part, same as C does not lie in the interior part also, means that C lies on the circle, means that all these 4 points are coinciding. We have to write all these things same as earlier theorem. So here exterior of the circle, then draw segment AC which intersect the circle at point E, join segment DE and segment BD. इथे B join नाही केला तरी चालेल. BD and ED also here. Then the angles are formed. Which angles are formed? These angles are congruent, and already the given is that these two angles are also equal. So first I will write therefore angle angle ABD is equal with angle ACD. Angle ACD, which is equation first, I have to take reason as given. Now student, then this angle ABD is equals to angle AED. Suppose that is equation number second, and the reason is that angles inscribed by same arc. Angles inscribed in same arc. Student, when we look the equation first and second, mean that from equation first and second we conclude that these two angles are equal, mean that this is also equal. Therefore angle AED is equals to angle AC. these two angles are equal. But this angle is the exterior angle. But angle AED is exterior of triangle DEC. So DEC चा exterior झाला. So that by using exterior angle theorem, this angle means that angle AED is greater than angle ACD. Because that, why? By using exterior angle theorem, which is studied in 9th standard. Student, this is the greater than ACD, means this contradicts with the statement third. Therefore, this contradicts statement third. स्टेटमेंट थर्ड से हा विरोधाभास तयार होतो आणि इथून इक्वल आहे आणि इथे काय दिसतंय की हा मोठा आहे कोणापेक्षा ACD पेक्षा. Means that point C does not lies in the exterior part. Therefore, point C cannot lies in exterior of the circle. म्हणजे तो एक्सटेरियर असू शकत नाही. मग सिमिलरली जर आपण असं जर याचा विचार केला तर सिमिलरली if you take point C is the interior, at that time this angle is also, when we join CD, then this angle is also greater than this angle by remote interior angle theorem or exterior angle theorem, means that this is also contradicts. So we can directly write here similarly if C is interior of the circle, then it also contradicts. Therefore, C cannot lies in interior of the circle. मग C हा इंटेरियर पण नाही, म्हणजे C एक्सटेरियर पण नाही आणि इंटेरियर पण नाही. Mean that C lies on the circle. Therefore, point C lies on the circle. Means that if the point C lies on the circle,